Surfing, the art of riding waves, has captured the hearts of adventure seekers and water sports enthusiasts around the globe. Whether you're a seasoned pro or beginner eager to catch your first wave, the world is dotted with incredible destinations that offers thrilling surfing breaks and breathtaking coastlines. Join us as we explore some of the top surfing destinations around the world. A tropical paradise for surfers, the Maldives, known for its idyllic white sand beaches and turquoise waters, also boasts world-class surf breaks. With consistent swells and warm waters year-round, this archipelago offers an unforgettable surfing experience. Resorts and charters caters to surfers, providing easy access to the famous breaks such as Pasta Point, Chickens, and the Sultans, where you can carve the waves in a picture-perfect setting. Up next on our list, we have the birthplace of surfing. Hawaii is synonymous with surfing as it is the birthplace of this exhilarating sport. The island offers a variety of breaks suitable for all skill levels. For the powerful and challenging waves of Oahu's North Shore, including Pipeline and Waimea Bay, to the mellow and forgiving breaks of Waikiki. Hawaii's surf culture is deeply rooted in the island's rich history. Immerse yourself in the aloha spirit and experience the thrill of riding legendary waves. Pura vida and perfect waves. Costa Rica is a surfer's paradise with its warm tropical waters and consistent surf all year long. From the renowned breaks of Tamarindo and Nosara on the Pacific coast to the Caribbean gems like Puerto Viejo, Costa Rica offers a diverse range of waves suitable for beginners and advanced surfers alike. With lush rainforest and vibrant wildlife as a backup, catching waves in Costa Rica is an unforgettable experience. This is a surfer's African gem. Morocco's Atlantic coastline has become a popular destination for surfers seeking adventure and a cultural immersion. Spots like Tagasout, Imsowen, and Essaouira offers consistent waves and a laid-back atmosphere. Immerse yourself in the vibrant local culture surf scene. Explore traditional Moroccan markets and savor delicious cuisines after a day of riding world-class waves. A tropical surfing haven, Sri Lanka, an island paradise in the Indian Ocean, has gained recognition as a top surfing destination in recent years. The country offers a wide variety of breaks along its coastline, catering to surfers of all levels, from the iconic waves of Aragon Bay and the east coast of the pristine beaches of Ikadua and Marissa on the south coast. Sri Lanka's warm waters and tropical landscape provides an unforgettable surfing experience. Now this is the golden state of surfing. California's coastline is renowned for its vibrant surf culture and world-class breaks. From the legendary waves of Maverick near Half Moon Bay to the iconic breaks of Malibu and Huntington Beach, California offers a plethora of surf spots for all levels. Whether you're seeking powerful waves or a laid-back surf vibe, the Golden State has it all, along with breathtaking coastline landscapes and a thriving surfing community. A surfer's paradise down under, Australia is a mecca for surfers, with its vast coastline and a diverse range of breaks. From the famous breaks of the Gold Coast in Queensland, including Snapper Rocks and Kira, to the powerful waves of Bell Beach in Victoria and the iconic barrows of Margaret River in Western Australia. This vast country offers an abundance of surf destinations, With a deeply ingrained surf culture and year-round swells, Australia is a must-visit for surf enthusiasts. Whether you're a wave-chasing adventurer or a beginner eager to learn, the world's top surfing destinations offers endless possibility for unforgettable experiences. From the tropical paradise of the Maldives and Sri Lanka to the legendary breaks of Hawaii and California and the cultural immersion of Morocco and Costa Rica, each destination presents its unique charm and an opportunity to ride the waves in stunning surroundings. So grab your board, wax it up, and embark on a thrilling journey to these surfing hotspots. The waves are calling!